Reverse psychology is a persuasion technique in which one advocates for a behavior that is contrary to the desired outcome. In other words, you say the inverse of what you desire. The goal of reverse psychology, also known as strategic self-anticonformity, is to persuade the other person to do what is actually desired. Reverse psychology can be viewed as a method of controlling another person's behavior, as well as a form of manipulation. The person who is the target of this tactic is generally unaware of what is going on and may be unaware of the other person's true motivations. A number of examples of reverse psychology can be seen in our daily lives used by businesses, organizations, and even by parents and relationship partners. In this video, we are going to present you with 5 reverse psychology techniques to use in your relationship for your desired outcomes. Number 1. Be elusive. It's natural to desire to have a relationship with someone with whom you can share every aspect of your life, from work concerns to random food cravings. Instead of revealing too much at the drop of a hat, it's time to put on your mask and give them the opportunity to work. Don't tell them everything, and don't be suspiciously available every time they ask to see you. This reverse psychology method works because you are not suffocating them with your daily activities. Rather, by maintaining your mystique, you encourage them to initiate conversation and arouse their curiosity and interest in you, your whereabouts, and your plans. You're demonstrating that you can live comfortably with or without them. And guess what? Who doesn't like a well-put-together person? Number 2. Stop being so submissive. Yes, small gestures are nice, but don't be overly compliant and overjoyed about easily attainable things like them. Seeing you for a couple of hours after work. You must establish your independence rather than being too tame and accommodating for this method. Don't just wait for them to make plans for you. Instead, be bold and assertive by making your own plans and fitting them into your schedule. Remember that you are just as important as they are, so don't be swayed or controlled by their actions. Being assertive will help establish your worth in others' minds, so they will always care for what matters to you. Number 3. Maintain a space to get closed. You can still breathe without knowing their every move, so don't worry. Don't be that dependent person whose heart skips a beat when they finally respond to your text. Separate from your relationships, you need space to realize what your needs are and how you can best take care of yourself. By allowing yourself time to think and process your emotions, you can reduce your chances of being too much dependent. Allow your partner space too, so that you can both miss each other and have more to say the next time you see or speak to each other. The reverse psychology here requires the opposite, which is to give each other some space and distance in order to achieve the desired closeness and intimacy. Number 4. Be unpredictable. People prefer more spontaneous, enjoyable times in relationships. Why else do you believe people stay in toxic, hot and cold relationships for far too long? Nobody wants a dull, monotonous relationship with their partner. So, if you want someone to be more intrigued and interested in you, the trick is to be bold and unpredictable. Plan enjoyable outings, seek out unusual activities, and be daring. Being less predictable is a good way to increase your chances of being interesting to your partner. Number 5. Play nice even when they're not. Mind games aren't the most sincere way to get what you want out of a relationship, but they're better than constant bickering or making emotional threats to your partner. When you are used to using emotional blackmail, threats, and unnecessary drama to get your way or keep the upper hand, you should know it well that this won't last long. Fair play is always on both sides. Reverse psychology suggests that play nice, especially when they're being unreasonably cruel, because they'll quickly come to their senses and realize they were being irrational in comparison to your cool self. It works perfectly. Reverse psychology helps you utilize the ways to consciously maintain the best in your relationship. But keep in mind, playing mind games isn't the most ideal method when you're considering getting into a serious relationship, as it can come across as manipulative if handled with zero finesse. Hope you enjoyed the video. Tell your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned to such helpful content. Thanks for watching.